where we are from the hotel. We are 3.5 hours from a stop in Dallas. That's Dad in front of us, right up there. I got Brad in the driver's seat. You can't see him, it's dark.
It's too dark, actually.
I'm tired. You can't see me either.
Oh, wait, I have the coffee.
The camera's facing me. We got coffee. Can't see that either.
It's all black.
It's all dark.
It's all dark. It's all black. I hit the coffee. The coffee's hot as shit. It's all black.
I drove for 5.5 hours. We just left Shreveport. Brad's got the next 3.5 to 4. And we're gonna stop for the night. Take a few hours to sleep. We're looking at getting at the place at 4 a.m., 5 a.m. So
Yeah, that's the
we'll sleep till the sun rises. Then we're off to Santa Fe for real.
And then we're just gonna crash.
Yeah, and then we're gonna crash. I've had a 1.5 cups of coffee, a Red Bull, and now I'm no longer in the driver's seat. So I'm gonna try and stay awake for Brad. Oh my God, that's the Texas sign. Oh, we're in Texas. Oh my God, look how nice the roads are now.
Yeehaw, Dad, yeehaw.
Wow. We did it.
It's the Texas thing, it's the yeehaw.
Yeah.
Welcome to Yeehaw County.
Yeehaw County. God, I hate counties.
Oh, ew.
Anyway.
Oh, Cooper's got a point. We're not in parish land anymore. We're in county country.
All right, signing off. Brad, you got anything you want to say?
I hate this drive.
Me too. It's 4:38 a.m. Brad, how you feeling? Dad, how you feeling?
Rough. Ready for a nap.
Cooper,
Tired.
watching Dad's window? Yeah. You still doing good?
Tired.
You had a good beauty sleep?
Not really.
Oh. Alright.
I say sleeping in Jeeps is not exactly comfortable.
My legs hurt. It's okay. We got how many miles until the rest stop? Do you know? We should probably look that up. Yeah. We're in Decatur, Texas. I almost said Alabama. We're in Decatur, Texas. We're at a Love's.
Wrong direction.
It really would be. I'm also very tired. I want to go to bed. We all want to go to bed. It's 6:36 in the morning. We pulled over at a rest stop. Tried to get some sleep. I didn't get any. Brad was snoring, sounded like the Titanic's horns. So we're gonna try and do the rest of this drive on 20 minutes of sleep. And then whatever Dad got. So here's the highway we drove in on. It's a very loud highway. And then there's the Jeeps. So, okay, it is, you can't see the time. It is 1:32 p.m. We're in the middle of nowhere. The absolute middle of nowhere.
Actually nowhere.
There's nothing for miles. There's nothing. It is empty landscape.
I thought Louisiana was nothing. This is actually nothing.
We are
This is
5 hours from the hotel in Santa Fe, New Mexico. I have not slept in several days. You can see it in my face.
In 2 days.
Yes. He slept for
An hour.
quite a long time.
An hour.
He was snoring. It was quite a long time. And this is the next 2 hours of the road trip.
And then it turns into desert.
And then it turns into desert.
Which is somehow less than nothing.
Yeah, I was telling him, this is nothing. This is nothing. New Mexico, the area of New Mexico we're going through is less than nothing.
The wind turbines are pretty.
The wind turbines are free. All these wind turbines, gone. They don't exist in New Mexico. And like, it's pretty neat, but it's really freaky. So how you feeling, Brad? You got the next 5 hours?
Maybe. Let's see. I probably had to get a coffee or something, but I should be fine.
I'm gonna go honk me like you've never seen before.
Honk shoe. Honk shoe. Honk shoe.
Okay, Brad. We've been right here, same spot, for 30 minutes.
For 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes.
It's been 30 minutes.
It's been 30 minutes. Oh, right, true, because we were expecting to arrive at 6.
Yep.
We've been here 30 minutes. It stands, like, not stand still in the form of, like, we're moving some, we're stopping, we're moving some. I've had this Jeep in park for 30 minutes. Lance got out, knocked on Dad's window.
I walked over, knocked on Dad's window. I got 2 Fantas for me and one for me, one for Brad. Talked to Cooper, talked to Dad again, went and looked and saw what the issue was. I couldn't say anything because I'm blind. And then made fun of someone, and then got back in the car.
All in under 30 minutes.
Yeah.
We also knocked on Dad's window and said, "Sir, how fast are you going?" Dad said, "Absolutely 0.
Yeah, it was really funny.
Sir, do you know how fast you were going? That's the funny part, I wasn't.
I just want to, never thought I'd say this in my life. I just want to get to New Mexico.
I just want to get to the desert, man.
The high. Oh my god. Well, that's not the state line.
The banner thing?
Yeah. Finally. We're leaving Texas. Oh my god, I see it. The land of enchantment.
On New Mexico. Here we go.
Entering mountain time and entering New Mexico.
And here we are.
Yay!
New Mexico.
You now have a new state unlocked.
Woohoo! So I can fast travel here, right?